Acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS, a severe lung condition that can occur in response to injury or infection. Asthma, a chronic lung disease that causes inflammation and narrowing of the airways. Cancer, a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. Cardiovascular disease, CVD, a class of diseases that affect the heart and blood vessels. Cerebrovascular accident, CVA or stroke, a disruption in blood flow to the brain that can cause damage to brain tissue. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, a group of lung diseases that make it difficult to breathe. Congestive heart failure, CHF, a condition in which the heart cannot pump enough blood to meet the body's needs. Diabetes, a chronic condition characterized by high blood sugar levels. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, a condition in which stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing irritation and discomfort. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, a virus that attacks the immune system and can lead to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS. Hypertension, high blood pressure. Influenza, flu, a highly contagious viral infection that affects the respiratory system. Malaria, a parasitic disease transmitted by infected mosquitoes. Multiple sclerosis, MS, a chronic autoimmune disease that affects the central nervous system. Osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak, brittle bones. Parkinson's disease, a chronic neurodegenerative disorder that affects movement and coordination. Rheumatoid arthritis, a chronic autoimmune disease that causes inflammation and damage to the joints. Tuberculosis, TB, a bacterial infection that primarily affects the lungs. Ulcerative colitis, a chronic inflammatory bowel disease that causes inflammation and ulcers in the lining of the colon. Urinary tract infection, UTI, an infection in any part of the urinary system, including the kidneys, bladder, and urethra. Zika virus, a mosquito-borne virus that can cause fever, rash, joint pain, and other symptoms.